Welcome on this video about osteopathy. So in this video I'm going to describe the primary respiratory mechanism of the entire body. So first of all, the sacrum. The sacrum, during the flexion, the base of the sacrum goes up, goes cephalic, and in the end of the flexion goes posterior. So the perfect motion of the sacrum goes like that. The sacrum goes cephalic and posterior in the end of the flexion. Then come back during the extension. Flexion, extension. The iliac bone. The iliac bone during the external rotation or flexion for this video, the iliac bone goes rotate anterior and in the end of the flexion go open. So the perfect movement of the iliacs are like that. They rotate and in the end they open. Then they come back. About the vertebra, about the spine. During the flexion, the spinous process goes up, goes cephalic and come back. That means that during the flexion, as you can see, the body of the vertebra goes caudal. The spinous process goes up, so the body of the vertebra goes down and come back. Flexion, extension. About the rib, posterior, the spinous process during the flexion goes up and the rib goes caudal. So the perfect motion of the ribs and the vertebra during the flexion, flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. About the rib cage, the sternum and the manubrium, during the flexion, the sternum goes caudal and the manubrium goes cephalic. So the perfect motion of the sternum and the manubrium during the flexion goes like that. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. And the ribs during the flexion, the sternum goes caudal and the ribs goes the other way. That means that the ribs goes like that. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. That means that in a lateral view, during the flexion, the rib have this movement. During the flexion, goes like that. Flexion, and come back. Flexion, extension. About the legs, the femoral bone during the external rotation open. This means flexion or external rotation and they come back for the femoral bone. Flexion, extension. About the tibia and the fibula. The tibia, the motion of the tibia follows the femoral bone. It's just the same. It means that during the flexion, the tibia goes in external rotation. Flexion or external rotation and come back. About the fibula have a special motion. During the flexion or external rotation, the proximal part of the fibula follows the tibia, goes also like that. And the distal part, next to the malleolus process of the ankle, goes internal. So the perfect motion of the fibula is like that. Flexion and come back. Flexion and come back. Tibia fibula, flexion and come back. Next to the malleolus, flexion and come back. About the feet. Now the feet, the second column of the feet in flexion goes up. This is the second column. The first, second, third, fourth. The second column goes cephalic. So all the metatarsals cuneiform, they goes up during the flexion. Flexion, extension. The first column of the feet goes in flexion in internal rotation. Flexion, extension. And the third, fourth, fifth column of the feet goes in external rotation. Flexion, extension. About the calcaneus during the flexion goes like that. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. And the talus follow the calcaneum. Flexion, extension. As well as the navicular. The navicular follow also the talus. Flexion, extension. And the cuboid bone open, follow the fifth column. The cuboid bone goes in external rotation, flexion, and come back. About the arm, the humerus in flexion or external rotation, just like the tibia, the humerus open in external rotation. The shoulder blade open. If I take my two shoulder blades in posterior view, in flexion, they open like that. This is the perfect motion of the shoulder blades. Flexion, extension. The clavicula in flexion goes like that. Flexion, extension. So next to the sternoclavicular joint goes cephalic, and next to the acromioclavicular joint goes cephalic. Caudal and cephalic. So the clavicula goes like that. Flexion, extension. About the ulna and the radius, the ulna during the external rotation open. Flexion, extension. Just like the humerus. External rotation and come back. And about the radius have also a special movement. Just like the fibula, the radius, the proximal part goes follow the ulna, external rotation, and come back, and the distal part goes in internal. About the end, the third column of the end goes cephalic. This means flexion, extension. The fourth and fifth column goes in external rotation, while the first and the second column goes in internal rotation also, external rotation. So first and second column open like that during the flexion, the fourth and the fifth column open like that, while the third column goes cephalic. This is the perfect motion of the end. And to finish, about the skull, so I described already in the previous video the entire motion of the skull bone, except the mandible. During the flexion, the mandible goes like that, open and come back. Flexion, extension. This is everything about the motion of the entire body. So I did describe in this video the primary respiratory mechanism of the entire body. In some previous video I described in detail the motility of the skull bones as well as the visceral motility. But in my practice I don't work in cranial osteopathy anymore. I use OsteoDoux. OsteoDoux is a revolution in the way to treat the people in osteopathy. OsteoDoux works on the movement of life. The movement of life is similar than the primary respiratory mechanism, but it goes beyond. The movement of life includes the different layers of adaptation, as well includes the psychosomatic, the memories held into the bone. OsteoDoux is a revolution in the way to treat the people. I did practice during 10 years cranial osteopathy with positive results, but in my practice I don't practice anymore cranial osteopathy. I don't work anymore with the motion of the body. I can if I want, but to work with Osteodus at the level of organization, which is the movement of life, provide much better result. So if you like to discover the videos that I update about Osteodus, please have a look at my other videos. And if you want to learn with me online during some private course Osteodus, please contact me through my website. Have a nice day, bye bye.